773-312 shit. That's the section. You ain't really from the city, don't rap it. Don't rap it. Back on top, I've been through more lows than you can imagine. Flew higher than most, I'm always traveling. Been places that you never been twice. Winning all around the world, I'm victory lapping. How did it happen? How did it happen? Stay focused with a lot of distractions. I was shipping packs like I manufactured. Used to move the product, I'm still a product of that shit. Killer Cam taught me keep calm under pressure. Moms told me stay out of trouble. As if I was trying to make a little money on my own. Graduated from an 8th to a zone, now I'm grown. 16, started writing 16s. Late night, candlelight, making sure the plan was right. Shootouts outside the studio. I was in the hood when you was playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Stopped dealing dope, it just wasn't in the cars. When I got robbed in the car by this nigga with his baby mama, they was trying to cut my price. If you hearing this song, just know I'm shitting on your life. Give it to him twice, shitting on your life. You still wearing wife beaters, hitting on your wife. If she hit me today, bet I hit her in the night. But I don't even want it, man. I ain't even frontin', man. Ask Mickey Halstead, the streets know. Since Lil Vic with the Don King fro. Rumble in the jungle, Ali flow. Ali Baba, international commas. 6 summers, I've been out here rapping. 773-312 section. If you ain't really from the city, don't rap it. If you ain't really from the city, don't rap it. Live for the city and die for the land. I sent a shot on the gram from my man. He just got out, he might go back again. He just got out, he might go back again. 773, that's the code.
Same phone number, new phone.
You ain't really from the city, then we know. We know. You ain't really from the city, don't
First things first, I'm back at it. I'm back at it. Fix my lean habit. Niggas be ad-libbing. Quit with the backpacking. This ain't no backpack shit. Every book bag I had pounds in it. Let y'all boys keep the attention. Glorifying all of the horror stories we get left with. 4 or 5 niggas be bending corners through your section. Ghost riding all type of forms, we misdirected. And I'm supposed to sit by watching my young niggas die, listening to y'all niggas lie. Say they keep this shit 100, but 100 niggas try. How you from one hood, throwing 100 different sides? I done heard your fairy tales like 100 different times. Gave June 45, it's like 100 on my mind. Only West Side niggas still 100 on the 9. And ask your bitch, she say I keep this shit 169.
Wear my region on my neck, I'm the Southside Prince. Prince at First Avenue, get my revenue rinsed. Benjamin Franklin's in the sink. RP Killer Cam rockin' all pink. 10th grade style of niggas thought the shit was gay. Pause, fast forward, now they ride the same wave. Skinny jeans, Billie Jean, been a Don. Squad look like United Colors of Benetton.
Been a dream, been a king, nigga, been a god, been a man, nigga, been a corners counting Benjamins. Been a cherry ass nigga, sweeter than some cinnamon. Ice cream nigga, same color as the paint job. And the inside, same color as a ring pop. I've been pulling hoes since Fat Farm tank tops. First we get them in, get the numbers, then we get them gone. I can fuck your bitch with some Gucci house slippers on.
Sorry, I ain't even really mean to offend y'all, but my girl's skin darker than my rims are. Perp moves so much weight, he need a trim spot. We be hanging like Steph Curry mouth guard. Jake Gyllenhaal and I box Southpaw. I should probably beef with Diddy, we the outlaws, but that's big bro, he put me on my first PJ. Me and Joey been getting banned since kids these days.
But these days we still running it like relays. Remember making plays off flip phones, this prepaid. Straight to back braids with the baby name keychains.
My new girl work at the factory, cheesecake. Say she working on a degree from Northwestern. Study this dick, teach your ass a lesson. I don't really like to say bitch a lot, but why these bitches still out here wearing Birkenstocks? Hurt the block, niggas undercover serving cops.
Underpaid and under pressure, under fear, getting shot.
And the murder rate higher than Dr. J Socks. Per Peter Pusher, man, word to Nate Fox.
Nigga Vic be the fireman, keep it shit hot.
Jack Frost in the Ziploc, dodging dick cups.
About to go and take a trip high with my bitch high. Tryna make her do a trick high on a dick high.
Live for the city and die for the land. I sent a shot on the gram from my man. He just got out, he might go back again. He just got out, he might go back again. 773, that's the code.
Same phone number, new phone.
You ain't ready for the city, you ain't ready for the city doing rapping.
For the tie. A 1-2 is good. Russell blessed to his arm, says, I got ice in my veins. Tied, 4 seconds for Connor. Yes! 1.8 left. Russell for the win.